What is undermining in a wound? Have you ever wondered what happens beneath the surface of a wound? Today, we are going to talk about undermining in a wound and why it matters, especially in survival situations. Undermining occurs when the edges of a wound separate from the healthy tissue underneath, creating a hidden pocket beneath the skin. This means that while the wound may look small on the surface, the damage beneath can be much larger. This situation arises when the tissue under the skin erodes away, leading to a space where the skin and underlying layers are no longer connected. In survival scenarios, using knives or other sharp tools can lead to cuts and wounds. If these wounds are not properly cared for, they can develop complications like undermining. The main concern with undermining is that it creates an area where bacteria can thrive. This increases the risk of infection, making the wound harder to heal. The pocket underneath the skin can trap moisture and debris, which further raises the chance of infection. To detect undermining, you should gently probe around the edges of the wound with a clean instrument. If you feel a space or pocket under the skin, that indicates undermining is present. This is crucial because the true extent of the injury may not be visible just by looking at the wound. From a survival skills perspective, understanding undermining is essential for effective wound care. If you find yourself in the wilderness or far from medical help, being able to assess wounds accurately is vital. Recognizing undermining helps you decide how to clean and dress the wound to prevent infection and promote healing. Always keep wounds clean and use sterile dressings if you can. Monitor for signs of infection, such as redness, swelling, or pus. If you suspect undermining, avoid packing the wound too tightly, as this can trap bacteria and worsen the issue. Instead, keep the wound clean and loosely covered, and seek professional medical help as soon as possible. In survival situations, preventing infection and monitoring the progress of the wound are key steps to ensure better outcomes. Knowing about undermining helps you take the right actions to protect yourself and others when medical care is not immediately available. Stay informed and prepared, and you will be better equipped to handle wounds effectively in any situation.